How are you guys? Hi. Good to see you all. Okay, we're here tonight. We're here to celebrate everybody, the real stars of the evening, the ones who have given us a spectacular year full of stories and magic. A very, very warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen. The famous American basketball star Kevin Durant once famously said, "Hard work beats talent when talent fails to work hard." How beautiful, huh? At today's glittering gala, Bollywood Hungama and its partners are going to ensure that the brightest spotlight is thrown on an artist's talent as well as hard work. As we honor and celebrate some of the most incredible talents from the Indian showbiz who have wowed us with their sensational work on screen, in theaters as well as on streaming sites. I extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you once again to the third edition of Sleeps by Raymond presents Bollywood Hungama OTT India Fest Summit and Awards, co-powered by Amante, Helios Lux, and Fima Carlo Frattini. We're also thrilled to have our other partners, including Truly Madly, Park Avenue Innerwear, Urban Ladder, Vida powered by Hero, Rare Rabbit, GM Fabrics, Fix Derma, HCG, Satvik, Bevzilla, The Nature Co., Smoor, Heineken Silver, Radio City, FNP Lux, GeoTV and GeoTV Plus, and JW Marriott in association with Gold Silver. Whew. Wow, that was long. Bollywood Hungama, which started as IndiaFM.com in 1997, continues to be the most authentic and credible infotainment website even after over 25 years. A part of Hungama Digital Media Entertainment Private Limited with Mr. Neeraj Roy. As its managing director, Bollywood Hungama continues to be run by Mr. Suleiman Mobani. And before moving ahead, we would like to say a warm thanks to our fabulous advisory council, Kabir Khan, Rasika Dugal, Rohit Shetty, and Malaika Arora. Thank you. And I would say let's begin the night, finally. I'm going to call my co-host. He is the host who never roasts without class, the actor who steals scenes without trying, the performer who knows how to win hearts, break the internet, and upgrade every event from nice to OMG, Sultan of Stage, Maharaja of Masti, Shehenshah of Madness, जो यहाँ पे पहुँच जाएगा hopefully जल्दी जल्दी. कहाँ है हमारा मनीष पॉल?
स्टार्टिंग गूफ अप से है, माइक नहीं आया मेरे पास मेरा, कोई बात नहीं। गुड इवनिंग लेडीज जेंटलमैन। वैसे क्या बात है एलनाज, तुम सोच रही होगी आज मैं अर्जुन वेली पे एंट्री क्यों मार रहा हूं, पूछो।
हाँ, क्यों?
ताकि तुम मेरे बिना यहाँ पे वेली ना खड़ी रहो, इसीलिए। वेल मैं यहाँ पे आ गया हूँ एकदम क्विकली ऑन माय वीडा इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर। वेल लुक एट द ब्यूटी यार, क्या कमाल का है। मतलब वीडा राइड जितना पे उतना, मतलब मैं जितना चलाता हूं यार उतना ही पे करता हूं। बस राइड करो और अपनी यूसेज के हिसाब से प्लान चुनो। है ये है वीडा, बस सिंपल फ्लेक्सिबल स्ट्रेस फ्री, है ना कमाल का।
What an entry, Manish.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। वैसे लाज शो बड़ा है ना, तो एंट्री जो है वो बड़ी होनी चाहिए। वीरा ई बूटा और मनीष पॉल, मतलब सॉलिड कॉम्बो। अरे यार भाई साहब ये जरा ले जाना और इसको जरा चार्ज कर देना। वैसे कमाल की बात बताऊं यार, ये जो है ना चार्ज एकदम ऐसा होता है जैसे मोबाइल फोन।
ये बेड के साइड में लगा सकते हैं?
यार बिल्कुल वहां पे भी लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन चलिए अब बढ़ते हैं आगे और ये वाले माइक पे आ जाते हैं। चलो
मनीष, वीरा तो ऑसम है, बट हाँ, तालियां।
तालियां बजा सकते हैं आप, बिल्कुल ना घबराएं, कोई आपको कुछ नहीं कहेगा। यस लवली।
पर एक सवाल है मनीष,
हाँ।
तुम ऐसे बैटमैन बन के क्यों आए हो? मतलब ये जरूरी है?
अरे यार मैं बैटमैन बन के नहीं आया हूँ यार, आज मैं जज बन के आया हूँ। बताऊं क्यों? क्योंकि आजकल जज ही तो है ना, आजकल यहाँ पे जज, इंस्पेक्टर, वकील, इन सब का ही तो कंटेंट बिंज वॉच हो रहा है, इसलिए मैंने सोचा क्यों ना ऐसे आए। देखिए अब जहान की बात करें, अरे यार ब्लैक वारंट, क्या बात है, छा गया लड़का। दिल्ली क्राइम, क्रिमिनल जस्टिस, जॉली एलएलबी, सब देखो क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए यार। जहान आ गया यहाँ पे है, अभी आ रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, इसलिए मैंने कहा आ रहा है। वेल इतने केसेस जुडिशरी में नहीं चल रहे हैं यार जितने हमारे थिएटर्स और ओटीटी पे चल रहे हैं। पर मैं तुम्हें बताऊं, मेरा राइटर है जतिन, मैंने कल ही उसको पकड़ा है। राघव वो खड़ा होकर किसी का मर्डर कर रहा था। मैंने कहा मर्डर क्यों कर रहा है? कह रहा भैया मर्डर करूंगा तभी तो कहानियां लिखूंगा, वही कहानी लेके आऊंगा तभी तो प्लेटफॉर्म वाले खरीदेंगे एंड आई विल बी अ स्टार। कमाल की बात है यार, वही चीजें बिंज वॉच होती हैं।
नाइस, आई लाइक योर थॉट मनीष।
थैंक यू।
एंड वैसे भी अवार्ड शो जज करने तो आते हैं लोग।
हाँ।
किसने क्या पहना है? ओह थैंक यू वेरी मच।
बिल्कुल मत घबराओ।
मैं बोल रही थी कि लोग जज करने आते हैं यहाँ पे कि किसने क्या पहना है, किसने क्या बोला है, कौन सा, किसने किसके साथ पिक्चर लिया है।
करेक्ट यार,
ये सब तो हम लोग आते हैं यहाँ पे इसके लिए ना।
हाँ यार ये बात तो है। बस अब ज्यादा जज बाती मत हो, अब यहाँ पे सारे के सारे स्टार्स आ चुके हैं। वेल एक दूसरे का जज कोई नहीं कर रहा, तो मैं ये कोड जो अब उतार चुका हूं, अब हम शो को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। सो कमला द वे स्टार्ट द अवार्ड।
नहीं, कमला द वे नहीं, बाय द वे होता है।
बाय द वे होता है, लेकिन मेरी बाई का नाम कमला है, इसलिए कमला द वे स्टार्ट द अवार्ड। यस लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अब बढ़ते हैं आगे और क्लासी लाइनें बोलने के लिए हमारे पास एलनाज है। गो फॉर इट, डालो इंग्लिश का तड़का।
So let's say without further ado, it's time to kickstart the awards night.
क्या बात है, चलिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां यहाँ पे हो जाए and we'll be starting with the awards now. Helios Lux presents fascinating performance of the year.
And the nominees are, to do the honors, may I please invite Mr. Javed KM, Retail Head and General Manager, Titan Company Limited, on the stage, please.
The fascinating performance of the year, and the winner is Patralekha for Phule.
Well, Patralekha यहाँ पे नहीं है, but Rajkumar specially receiving the award on her behalf. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Patralekha.
Patralekha can't be here, as we all understand why. But she would like to thank her director, Mr. Anant Mahadevan, Pratik Gandhi, her fabulous co-actor, the producers, and to Bollywood Hungama and Suleiman sir. Thank you so much, and to all the people who've seen Phule and given it so much of love to both Patralekha and Pratik. Patralekha, of course, will always be special for me, and her performance in Phule this year and also IC814 has been so inspiring. So she inspires me every day, and for me, she's the best actor, the best mother, the best wife that I could have ever thought of. So thank you so much. Good night.
क्या बात है, big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
That's amazing.
Now, moving up for the next one is the category Fascinating Series of the Year.
And to present this award, may I please invite Neeraj Roy of Bollywood Hungama on stage, please.
Fascinating Series of the Year, and the winner is Hai Junoon.
behalf of everybody, I would just like to thank all the people who were associated with this project. Making a high school musical in today's time is the most toughest thing to do. It took us 4 years to make it with a show which had 40 songs and some of like chartbuster music. I'd like to thank Abhishek, who's helmed the project as a director. All the cast and crew, Neil, Baman sir, Jacqueline, Sumed, Siddharth, all the music composers. And I think the people whom I'm forgetting their names, I think Abhishek can. No, thank you so much, Sagar. I mean, this show wouldn't have been made if it was not because of your grit. Sagar was a young producer. I also want to thank Aditya, who was a creator. Of course, the entire Geo Creative Labs, where this thing came into fruition. This is Elnaz's series as well. So, Elnaz, congratulations to you too.
Thank you.
And all the actors, they were fantastic. The writer's room, that was fantastic. The entire team in Geo Hotstar. Of course, I would like to thank Bollywood Hungama for this honor. It was great. इस एक सीरीज में इतने गाने थे जितने मेरी 7 फिल्मों में नहीं थे. So 40 songs is what the dream was of this young lad, and with the help of the team we were able to do it. I want to thank Amarjeet, my DOP, Dhruv Dalla, my BGM composer, entire crew that worked on this series. This was a very ambitious project. Thank you so much. Thank you for this honor.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Amazing to see that. We both
Lastly,
have
I would
done
like to
that song.
thank Saregama for helping us with all the music.
Thank you. All right, moving on, ladies and
Coming
gentlemen.
up next is the category Rareism presents Breakthrough Performer of the Year Female, the Rare Choice.
And the nominees are
To present this award, may I please invite Shad Randhawa on stage. Manish, you are presenting the award.
Wow, I like it.
जाओ.
Please, कहाँ है? नहीं मैं क्यों करूं यार, इतने सारे लोग बैठे हैं, हम किसी को बुला सकते हैं. अच्छा, क्या बात है, लिफाफा ले 21 रुपए डाल के लाइए. चलिए. Okay.
All right, Manish, tell us.
Breakthrough Performer of the Year Female, and the winner is Kriti Kharbanda for Anna Naidu. All right, all yours. नहीं ऐसे कैसे, ये मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ, घबराओ नहीं.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks so much. Such an honor to be here tonight. I'll just go in order. First, I want to thank myself for being Alia Oberoi. It was a role I almost didn't take on because I was a little afraid about what people would think or how it would be perceived, but I'm so glad that I did it. The makers, Locomotive, Sundar Aaron, Karan Anshuman, Suparn, Abhay Chopra, all of you guys, John Schmidt, our DOP, my co-stars, Rana, Venki sir, Rajat sir, Tanuj. Alia Oberoi wouldn't be what she is without the people that surrounded her. And I'm really grateful for that. A big thank you to Netflix for considering me for a role that I never thought I'd be considered for. So thanks so much. Thank you for giving me Alia Oberoi. I love that this 5 foot something took on a 6 foot something and won. Thank you.
Aw, congratulations.
क्या बात है, बिग कंग्रेचुलेशंस. आइए मैं आपको नीचे छोड़ के आता हूँ. वैसे मैं आजकल न्यूमरोलॉजी करता हूँ. तुम अपना नाम कृति खरबंदा से कृति खरबंदी कर लो. और नहीं, okay, that was a bad one. It's okay. It's okay. Every joke doesn't land. It's fine. Aye, please.
Okay, we're moving on. Our next category is Urban Ladder presents Screen Stealer of the Year Male. And let's look at the nominees. All right, to do the honors, may I please invite Priti Jangini and Mr. Vivek Mehta, CEO, Urban Ladder.
All right, the winner is Amol Parashar for Gram Chikitsalya.
Hi,
Thank you.
congratulations.
Hi, thank you so much.
How are you feeling?
Happy. Also because I'm a big fan of everyone who's here. And a big fan of those nominees, Vijay, Arshad sir, Zahan, and Gulshan, and such great actors, such great performances. So it's an honor, it's a privilege, and it was also an honor doing this show, playing this part of Dr. Prabhat, a medical officer who works on the ground in a village trying to change the world. I would I would aspire to be a person like that in real life, as idealistic, as hardworking, and as pure. And I would like to thank the people who gave me this part and who helped me make it what it turned out to be. So first of all, the Viral Fever for creating this story and lovely stories all over for years. Arunab Kumar, Deepak Kumar Mishra, the creators of the show. Rahul Pandey, my director, who I think took out one of my best performances. This is what I feel. Just been validated. And the writers, Vaibhav and Shreya, Amazon Prime, Manish's team for supporting stories like this, shows like this. Thank you so much to the jury.
Congratulations.
Bollywood Hangama, thank you.
Before you go,
If you haven't seen the show yet, it's on Amazon Prime. It's called Gram Chikitsale. It's a sweet show. It's a well-meaning show with a big heart. So please go watch it. Please go check it out. Thank you.
I just wanted to ask you, since we have the CEOs of Urban Ladder with us, I love the brand myself a lot, by the way. If you had to pick one furniture in your home that feels most like you, which furniture would that be? Which
I don't
piece?
know how this is going to sound, but
No.
I think it's going to be the bed.
All
I
right.
spend a lot of my life lying down. This is just lying down. Like I like to think lying down. I like to be on my phone lying down. If I have to reply to messages, I lie down and reply to messages, check my mails. So if I don't have to be up, if I don't have to sit up or stand for other people,
You lay down.
I lay down. I'm lying down.
Sounds good. That's
the
great.
bed.
I would love to do that too.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well
Thank you,
deserved.
everyone.
Congratulations again. All right, let's move to our next category of the evening. Truly Madly presents Most Dynamic Artist of the Indian Showbiz, Female.
And the nominees are. Oh, क्या बात है तगड़े nominees.
To present this award, may I please invite Isha Malviya and Mr. Snail Khanur, founder and CEO of Truly Madly, on the stage, please.
नहीं आप अकेले भी कर सकते हो आपका मन करे आप घबराएं
कोई
नहीं
बात नहीं.
बिल्कुल घबराना नहीं है 5 सेकंड गिनते हैं हम कोई तो आ रहा है पीछे से अरे लॉरेन आओ ना तुम ही प्रेजेंट करो अवार्ड मैं चाहता हूँ
आ
प्लीज
जाओ,
और
आ
कोई नहीं
जाओ।
आया अभी तुम आओ अपना इशू है घबराना नहीं है और ये अवार्ड प्रेजेंट करेंगी साथ में लॉरेन फ्रॉम फॉरेन सडनली इनके चेहरे पे जो मुस्कुराहट आई ना कह रहे मैं अकेला क्यों मुझे भी कोई साथ में
Hello, everyone. Good evening. The most dynamic artist of the Indian showbiz female is Rasika Dugal.
Rasika, I loved you in Delhi Crime. Love.
Thank you so much. There's so many people from Netflix here, guys. Should I put you on the spot and ask you if you're going to have another season?
Yes, please. We would like
Are we
one.
going to have another season? Thank you so much for this award. This is truly encouraging. Thank you, Bollywood Hangama. Thank you, Suleiman. I hope that I'm able to continue to do a variety of work, to constantly reinvent myself each time, and to evolve, experiment, and entertain. Thank you so much. This is very special.
Congratulations. Well, Rasika Dugal. ये गर्ल नहीं दुगल है आइए दुगल साहब बहुत बहुत बढ़िया क्या बात
Manish,
हाँ जी
every woman that comes up here, you help them up.
I
you
love it.
hug them.
मुझे-
अभी जो भी, if any man comes up, then I want to give a hug.
जो भी आदमी आएगा वो खुद आ सकता है आई डोंट केयर लड़कियों की मैं जरूर हेल्प करूंगा Alright, moving on to the next one.
Next up is the category Heineken Silver presents Inspirational Artist of the Year, Female.
Alright, to do the honors, may I please invite on stage Sanjida Sheikh and Vasant Bhandari.
Thank you very much. On behalf of United Breweries, I congratulate Bollywood Hangama creating most wonderful platform for the most talented star today evening. And I wish all the best. Thank you very much.
Sir, winner.
Who's? Huh.
चिट्ठी हाथ में है ये चेक का लिफाफा नहीं है जो आप लेके जाने वाले थे
The International Artist of the Year female, and the winner is Nikita Datta for the Walking of the Nation.
Alright, Nikita Datta.
Congrats, Nikita! Nikita, you have played so many characters in the last 1 year. It must have been extremely satisfying as an artist to do such different roles. So, how do you feel?
Two to be precise, which is, I think, a great privilege in an actor's life. But I have to say one thing. I mean, I had 2 releases this year, and the photo behind that actually came up as well is from the popular release called Jewel Thief. Sadly, this show, which is called Waking of a Nation, for which I'm getting the award today, which is very, very close to my heart, did not get the viewership that I expected. So today, when I'm receiving an award for this, it's such a good feeling because I gave my heart and soul to that. And I do remember when I was shooting for the show, and our director, Ram Madhvani sir, once told me on the lunch table saying that, you know, I like to give actors a clip scene. And I asked him what a clip scene means. And he said a clip scene is basically the scene that will play when you receive an award. And I looked at him and I said, you think I'm going to get an award for this? And he said, I hope you do. And I kept thinking all year long that, you know, people haven't seen it and that's not going to happen. So that's finally happened. And I swear I'm very emotional right now about it. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Big congratulations to you. There you go. And एक हम स्पेशल अवार्ड देना चाहेंगे वसंत जी को बिकॉज जितने प्यार से आपने ट्रॉफी इनके साथ हैम्पर के साथ पोज किया है, मैं भूल गया था, मुझे लगा हमने कोई मैनिकीन खड़ा किया जो यूं ही खड़ा है, हिला ही नहीं. बट क्या बात है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां वसंत जी के लिए. एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस निकिता वंस अगेन. क्या बात है, वैसे जेम्स बॉन्ड वाली फीलिंग आ रही है इनको देख के आज.
मुझे हेल्प नहीं किया जब मैं ऊपर आई थी यहाँ पे.
तो मैं पूरे शो में हेल्प करूंगा, सबको दिखेगा. चलो
आओ
आगे की लाइन.
एक बात बताओ.
हाँ जी बोलो.
मैं कुछ भूल गई.
क्या भूल गई?
मैं ये रेड कार्पेट के लिए पहनी थी, फिर यहाँ पे भूल गए.
कोई टेंशन नहीं, अपना शो है, मजे में करो. देखो पूरा परिवार सामने बैठा है, क्या फॉर्मेलिटीज हैं.
अभी सब दिख रहे हैं. हाय.
तुम्हें तब से लग रहा था तुम खाली ऑडिटोरियम में बातें कर रही हो.
Okay, let's go.
Go for it.
Next category is Smore presents Digital Sensation of the Year. And to do the honors, may I please invite Mrs. Kanchan Ajpal, Chief Marketing Officer, Smore, on stage, please.
Good evening, everyone. The Digital Sensation of the Year. Wow, the winner is Jennifer Winget.
Oh. All right, a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Jennifer Winget.
Congratulations.
क्या बात है.
Everyone gets different gifts or what?
अलग अलग तरह की गिफ्ट मिलते हुए. Congratulations, Jennifer. Don't worry, मैं.
Yeah.
You have to sing 2 songs. यार एक मिनट, जेनिफर थोड़े दिन पहले उदयपुर में आई थी, वहां जलजला मचा के गई है. आज ये वाली जेनिफर आई है, ये भी करेंगे. आइए.
Thank you.
जेनिफर आइए प्लीज.
बनीश, एक तो आपके सामने बात करना ना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है.
आप मेरी पीठ पीछे भी बात कर सकते हैं, बहुत से लोग करते हैं.
Elnaz, you're doing a great job too.
Thanks, honey. Thank you. I'm trying my best.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. There are many people here who are more deserving of this award, but I do want to thank Bollywood Hungama for this award and my fans who very kindly and very patiently wait for my projects and my posts. I promise to do better. Thank you for always cheering me on. This one's for you. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations. Thank you very much.
Next up is the category Fixed Drama presents Most Versatile Artist of the Year, Female. And the nominees are...
To present the award, may we please welcome on stage Ruhi Singh and Ms. Shelly Mehrotra, founder and CEO, Fixed Drama.
So the most versatile artist of the year, female, and the winner is Diana Pente.
Thank you, Bollywood Hungama. Thank you, Suleiman, for having me here and for this honor. This has been a special year and quite a journey with my OTT web series debut, Do You Want a Partner? And winning an award for it is the best way to end the year. So thank you. And I would definitely have to thank the best partners in crime, Prime Video, Dharmatic, and my directors Archit Kumar and Colin Diguna. Thank you so much, and have a great evening, guys.
Congratulations.
Thank you and congratulations. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Diana. Thank you so much, Diana. थैंक यू सो मच डायना। वैसे डायना मैं तुम्हारे लिए एक रिंग लाने वाला था। मैं सोच रहा था आज तुम्हें एक रिंग दूंगा, लेकिन मैंने कहा पता नहीं डायना पहनती या ना पहनती, इसीलिए नहीं दिया। थैंक यू सो मच। अब तुम इस खुशी में शोर मत मचाना, वरना यूल बी डायना शोर। लेकिन आज तुम लग रही हो डायनामाइट। मूविंग ऑन लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
Wah ji wah. Category is the Naturico presents Most Versatile Artist of the Year, the Chef honor.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, to do the honors, may I please welcome on stage Mr. Sahil Vora, co-founder of the Naturic Company, the healthiest breakfast brand of India. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एक्टर्स एक साथ हो गए, इनको एक ऊनो का बंडल दे दो, ये लोग एक गेम खेल लेंगे जब तक नेक्स्ट की बारी है।
The most versatile artist of the year winner is Chef Ranveer Brar. आपका एक शो आता था घर सा यमी, जिसमें आप घर की रसोई को की रेसिपीज को वर्ल्ड स्टेज पे लेके जाते थे। नेचरिक एक तरह से उसी इंस्पिरेशन का नतीजा, एंड इट्स अ प्रिविलेज टू बी प्रेजेंटिंग दिस अवार्ड टू यू।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। मुझे तो सर अभी भी यकीन नहीं होता मेरे को बुलाते क्यों हैं लोग, बट कमाल की बात है, काम मिल रहा है अभी तक फॉर अ शेफ टू कीप गेटिंग वर्क एंड एक्सप्लोर हिमसेल्फ एज एन एक्टर। आई थिंक इट जस्ट शोज द मैग्नानिमिटी ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री, नथिंग मोर। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस, थैंक यू।
क्या बात है।
रणवीर सर, आप मत जाइए, आप मुझे बता दीजिए प्लीज, आपका गिल्टी प्लेजर फूड कौन सा है?
हम गुड़ चने टाइप के लोग हैं जी। गुड़ चना इज द बेस्ट गिल्टी प्लेजर, fills you up soon and doesn't make you feel guilty.
Oh.
Always works.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, लेकिन कमाल कर दी। मैं एक ही बात बस पाजी को बोलना चाहता हूँ यार, अच्छा खासा आप इतना बढ़िया खाना बना के हमें खिला के हमारा पेट भर रहे थे, ये जो एक्टिंग में उतर के आप हमारे पेट पे लात मार रहे हैं, इसका मुझे बड़ा मलाल है, पर कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं जो भी कर रहे हैं। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए। कल से मैं भी मुर्ग मुसल्लम और पनीर टिक्का बनाऊंगा। अब ये मत कहना मनीष ने बताया नहीं।
All right, let's quickly move to the category FEMA. Carlo Frattini presents Most Iconic Supporting Actor of the Year Male. And the nominees are... Ooh, I see Manish in there. All right, to present this award, may I please invite Mr. Amandeep Singh Anand, Director, FEMA, Carlo Frattini, India, on the stage, please.
Good evening, everyone. So the award for Most Iconic Supporting Actor of the Year Male, and the winner is Punjabi आगे हुए Manish Paul.
अरे woo!
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी। सबसे पहले तो जनरली आप अवार्ड जीतते हैं तो पेरेंट्स को थैंक यू कहा जाता है, फैमिली को पूरी थैंक यू कहा जाता है, अपने मेकर्स को थैंक यू कहा जाता है। थैंक यू धर्मा, थैंक यू शशांक फॉर बिलीविंग इन मी। आपने मुझे ये रोल दिया और मैंने पूरी कोशिश करी उसे अच्छे से निभाने की, सो थैंक यू कुक्कू को इतना प्यार देने के लिए। लेकिन आज इन्होंने कहा पंजाबी आ गए हुए, उससे मेरे में एक बात जागी, एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट ये अवार्ड आज मैं और किसी को नहीं दूंगा, किसी के लिए नहीं है, दिस इज फॉर धर्मेंद्र जी, बिकॉज पंजाबी कनेक्ट है। और यू नो मुझे, मैं क्विकली शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, मैंने केम टू मुंबई सम 20 years बैक, तो हर माँ बाप बड़े डरे होते हैं कि मुंबई जा रहा है, किसी को नहीं जानता, क्या करेगा। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मेरी मम्मी को बड़ा विश्वास था, कहती कोई नहीं घबरा मत, वहां जाके कोई भी दिक्कत हो तू धर्मेंद्र जी के यहाँ चले जाना, खाने की कोई दिक्कत हो धर्मेंद्र जी के यहाँ चले जाना। सो दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ ट्रस्ट धर्मेंद्र सर ने क्रिएट किया था। एंड मैं उन्हें मिला था, उनसे आशीर्वाद लिया था, तब उन्होंने मुझे पूछा तू पंजाबी है क्या? मैं हाँ जी मैं पंजाबी हाँ। तो मैंने कहा सर आशीर्वाद दे दो, मैं भी कोशिश करांगा थोड़े तरह कुछ अच्छा काम करा। तो उन्होंने तब मुझे कहा था, कहते हैं कोई नहीं, तू पंजाब का पानी पीता है, तू रज के आएगा तो रज के छाएगा। तो धर्मेंद्र जी, दिस इज फॉर यू, जस्ट अ स्मॉल ट्रिब्यूट। एंड हम आपको रोज याद करेंगे, रोज मिस करेंगे, लेकिन विद अ स्माइल, बिकॉज वी विल ऑलवेज सेलिब्रेट यू। एंड आई थिंक इस रूम में बैठा हर आर्टिस्ट, इनफैक्ट एवरीबडी कहीं ना कहीं सर से इंस्पायर हुआ है। सो एक बार उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां आनी चाहिए। लव यू सर, थैंक यू टू द ऑडियंस, थैंक यू वेरी मच, लव यू ऑल, थैंक यू।
Congratulations, Manish. Manish, रुको, इसके लिए
Oh my God!
Oh my God, आ जाओ,
बताएं।
मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगी इधर।
कहाँ लेके जाओगी पगली?
On the other side of the
अच्छा
stage.
इधर?
हाँ.
Okay.
Now have a close look. If
Okay.
you were to choose one of these for
हाँ.
your home,
इनमें से कोई चूज करना होता, मैं मेरे ख्याल ये वाला नल का,
क्यों?
क्योंकि इस नल में मुझे कहीं से नहीं समझ आ रहा ये खुलेगा कहाँ से और इसमें पानी कहाँ से
मैं
आएगा।
दिखाऊं?
हाँ, ओह वाओ,
नहीं, रुको।
इतना स्टाइलिश, ये घुमाया और पानी बाहर,
बस।
क्या बात है। ये तो मैं तो
ये
ये वाला
चाहिए।
चूज करने वाला हूँ,
मुझे ये चाहिए।
है ना।
ये शावर है।
ये शावर है, वाओ, इसने तो शावर ने खुद शावर कैप पहनी हुई है। आई लव दिस वन, ये मैं जरूर लेना चाहूंगा। थैंक यू।
They'll send this home to you, huh, Manish?
यस, आई थिंक
You
प्लीज,
chose it, huh?
मैं एक
Final?
नया घर बना रहा हूँ, उसके लिए प्लीज मुझे दे दीजिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच फीमा, मैं ये लेके जाना चाहूंगा, और वो भी फ्री माँ। चलिए, अच्छा मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ, तू 2-3 अभी कर रही है, मैं जरा लेट मी एंजॉय द
क्या?
अवार्ड।
आ जाओ ना।
अच्छा मैं आ जाऊँ, चलो
मुझे छोड़ के कहाँ जा रहे हो बार-बार?
मैम, ये मेरा ले जाइए, ये मेरे कमरे में रख दीजिएगा, किसी को मत दीजिएगा।
Up next is the category Helios Lux presents Breakthrough Performer of the Year Male. Ah, that's me now.
All right, and the nominees are
To the honors, may we please have Madhurima Toli, Mr. Javed KM, Retail Head and General Manager, Titan Company Limited, on the stage, please.
Breakthrough Performer of the Year Male, and the winner is Raghav Joel, of Bollywood.
Raghav, what do you have to say?
Thank you, Bollywood Hangama, Heliox Lux, everyone. Thank you यार, आप लोग शुरू से मेरे सफ़र में रहे हैं साथ, चाहे वो डांसिंग डेज हो या होस्टिंग डेज हो या अब एक्टिंग डेज में भी। और मैं पूरी टीम को, आर्यन को, शाहरुख सर को, गौरी मैम को, आन्या को एंड आर्यन को सबसे ज़्यादा थैंक यू बोलूँगा कि उन्होंने मुझे चांस दिया टू प्ले परवेज़। एंड मैं एक चीज़ और बोलूँगा यहाँ पर कि मैं सारे जितने भी प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, डायरेक्टर्स हैं, उन सबको मैं ये सबसे अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है ये बोलने का कि अब मैं सिर्फ हीरो बनूँगा यार। मुझे लगता है आ गया है टाइम, and I really want to be a hero, a superstar, and I'm here for that. उससे नीचे मैं नहीं जाऊंगा यार।
क्या बात है, क्या बात, lovely।
तो बाकी की चीजें मेरे पास लाओ ही मत, तो ये एक मेरा वो है। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच, एंड दिस इज हाउ, ये उससे नीचे नहीं, एंड बस थैंक यू, मुझे बोलना था।
सुपर, ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, बड़ा सोचेंगे तो बड़ा करेंगे। दैट्स अमेजिंग यार राघव।
सॉरी सर,
लेकिन राघव इससे पहले तू नीचे जा यार, एक वो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है।
ये पुष्प कुछ रख दूं नीचे?
हाँ, ये रख देते नीचे यार। वीडियो बना रहे हैं, हेल्प कर ले
थोड़ा
2 मिनट के।
अरे थैंक यू सर, आपने बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंट किया सर।
ये भाई साहब बड़े अच्छे हैं, लाइफ जैकेट पहन के आए हुए हैं, बहुत अच्छी।
अभी ऋषिकेश में राफ्टिंग करके ही आ रहे हैं।
आप भी अभी उनकी बोट भी बैठी नीचे।
लव यू भाई।
लेकिन यार राघव यार, तो मुझे बहुत ही कमाल लगा था तेरा बैट्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। आई थिंक इट वाज वंडरफुल इन द शो। बट यार वो जो इमरान हाशमी का फैन बना था, आई थिंक एवरीबडी लव दैट।
थैंक यू।
तो एक वो इमरान हाशमी वाला कुछ क्रिएट कर दे यार यहाँ पे यार, प्लीज।
पक्का,
गो फॉर इट।
You asked for it,
भाई
Manish.
यार, आपने कहा इमरान हाशमी का क्रिएट।
अबे मैं गाना गाने को बोल रहा था।
मुझे तो लगा वही करना है कुछ।
मतलब मैं सबके मुंह लगता हूँ, ऐसे नहीं लगता, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं। चल गुड यार, तू एक गाना सुना के जा प्लीज, मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है।
ओके, सो
इनके लिए गा। तुल्ली जी आइए।
तमल्ली माँ गाओ ना।
वही गाऊंगा, ट्राई कर।
तमल्ली हाँ जी।
तमल्ली हबीबी बस्ता दिल इलाया अना यदनला वला हो वला ला कुल्लिकू दकुनिया हबीबी बसना तू ही जीने का। दैट्स इट, थैंक यू
सर। पीछे 2 लाइनें आपके लिए भी थी, आप एक बिल्कुल लेफ्ट आउट फील ना करें, आपके लिए भी था। लास्ट का जो था ना, हॉले ले ले अभी। बट चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच।
कुल्लिकू वाज फॉर यू। कुल्लिकू, दैट्स फॉर यू।
कुल्लिकू इज फॉर यू।
दैट्स द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड इन दैट होल कुल्लिकू।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। आइए प्लीज आइए। आप कहाँ अवार्ड लेके जा रहे हैं? उसका है, बड़ी मेहनत करी है उसने। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सुलेमान भाई, एंड थैंक यू बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
Thank you, Raghav. You're such a sport. I love it. Well done. Thank you. Congratulations.
याद रखूंगा तेरी पप्पी राघव। चलिए अब बढ़ते आगे, ladies and gentlemen.
All right. Moving on. Our next category is Radio City Presents Special Mention for Filmmaking Excellence.
And the nominees are.
To do the honors, may I please invite RJ Palak, host Primetime Evening Show, on stage.
special honor for filmmaking excellence, and the winner is Kabir Khan.
I think Kabir sir was right here.
You know, when I go and present the award instead, if somebody is not there, why can't I go and take the award?
Michael, तुम कर लो. I think you should do that.
Elhaz,
Go for
you
it.
should come.
Elhaz.
I don't know why I do these things, but हाँ for film मैं क्या बोलूँ film making के लिए sir this is for Kabir Khan sir. Thank you, we'll give it to him.
Thank you so
It
much.
is
Thanks
actually
for doing
very
the
heavy,
honors.
हाँ? मुझे भी चाहिए ऐसा एक. मैं ले जाऊँ.
बिल्कुल मेरे ख्याल बात करो इनसे एंड अगले साल हो सकता है तुम्हारी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए तुम्हें भी मिल जाए. तुमने कमाल का परफॉर्म किया यार. एंड अब बारी है अगले अवार्ड की.
हाँ जी. All right, our next category is Bevzilla presents Best Supporting Actor Female Original Series.
And the nominees are
To present this award, may I please invite Naira Banerjee and Mr. Pranay Nirgud, Business Head Bevzilla, on the stage, please.
All right, there we have, and let's see who the winner is.
Award for Best Supporting Actor Female winner is Anya Singh for
क्या बात है.
It feels so amazing to be in a room full of such immense talent, number one, and also people that I really, really admire. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No, that was my ending. But thank you, Aryan, my director, without whom I would not be standing here. Shahrukh sir, Gauri ma'am, Red Chillies, my entire cast and crew, which made this show an absolute joyride to be a part of. We had way too much fun. Bollywood Hangama for the recognition, Suleiman sir, and of course to everyone who has given this show so much love, and of course Sanya, so much love. For whoever's curious, I don't have a pen, but I have an award, so I guess that makes up. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening.
Congratulations to you. Thank you. And अब बारी है अगले अवार्ड की.
हाँ जी. Up next is the category Best Supporting Actor Male Original Series.
And the nominees are. Do the honors. May I please welcome on stage Tanya Abami of Netflix on stage to do the honors, please.
The Best Supporting Actor Male Original Series, and the winner is Rajat Bedi for Bads of Bollywood.
Oh, Rajat Bedi, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Naz. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor getting this award from her. Yes, Netflix has produced Bads of Bollywood. 20 साल के बाद मंच पे आया हूँ. It's emotional. There's a lot of thank yous to be said. My family's here, my wife's here, my children are here. Big day for me.
Okay, coming up is the category Best Feature Film Originals.
All right, and the nominees are.
To do the honors, may we please have Omkar Kapoor on the stage? Is he here?
All right, let's have a big hand for Omkar.
Good evening, everyone. And the award for the Best Feature Film Originals goes to Mrs.
ओमकार उनको एक और तोहफा देते हुए. क्या बात है, स्टेज पे 2 बाइक्स और एक ओमकार. Thank you. Congrats to the winners.
Congratulations.
अरे
Would you guys like to say
मतलब
something?
कुछ तो बोल के जाएं प्लीज. हम इंटरनेट पे लगाएंगे क्या? कुछ बोल के जाएं. हरमन जी, क्या कहना है इस जीत के बारे में?
Ji, firstly, good evening, everyone. This film is extremely special. I can't say the missus is right here because that may not land properly, but you all get the drift. But yeah, I think there's, it's a film which I think when I kind of had the genesis to actually get ahead and make it, the intention behind it was to actually create a conversation beyond screen, right? We always watch a film, and I think, spoke about this to Sanya, to Aarti, and to everyone else, that it's a film that should kind of go beyond watching. You know, if it can be a film that people can actually talk about on dinner tables, have conversations about it, then the very essence and the very intention of making this film actually comes true. So I guess it probably did that, which is why we are here. And so I really thank everyone who's been a part of the team, all the misses, all the misters, and everyone who's viewed it and everyone who's not viewed it. It's probably time. So yeah, thank you for this award.
All right, congratulations to you. वैसे हरमन जी मैं आपसे बस बोलना चाहता हूँ, मैं भी गटर वाले पानी की चाय बना लेता हूँ. मिसेस के बाद अगर मिस्टर बना रहे हो तो प्लीज मेरी भी डेट और गटर की डेट दोनों की डेटें खाली हैं. प्लीज बना लीजिएगा. बट एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Thank you very much,
guys. Congratulations and thank you, Omkar.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
All right, up next, ladies and gentlemen, the next category, Power Pack Performer of the Year, Female.
And to present this award, may I please invite Charlene Bhanot and Mrs. Sunny Shastri on the stage, please.
Good evening, everyone. Power Pack Performer of the Year, Female. And the winner is my most favorite, gorgeous and beautiful, Manushi Chillar.
All right, Manushi Chillar, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Bollywood Hangama and Mr. Suleiman, for this honor. Last year has been truly special, and I think what made it most special was the people that I got to work with, and I hope I get to collaborate with even more special people who keep making me going to set always feel so wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
मुझे पूरा यकीन है शालीन तुम्हें नीचे तक छोड़. शालीन, please help her out. Thank you so much, Shaleen, and thank you so much, ma'am, for doing the honors. Thank you very much. अरे चलिए बहुत जल्दी आगे बढ़ते हैं. 11 बजे टोल की पर्ची डबल हो जाती है. Let's go ahead.
Bolu.
Go ahead, जल्दी बोल.
Best Supporting Actor Male,
Yeah.
Original Series, and the nominees are.
Hello again, everyone. The Power Pack Performer of the Year award goes to Siddhant Chaturvedi for Dhadak 2.
Siddhant Chaturvedi, big hand, ladies and gentlemen. अरे नहीं ऐसे मत कर. स्पॉन्सर ऐसे मत कर. स्पॉन्सर बहुत पैसे मिले हमें. माइक छीन लेंगे हमसे. अब बोल.
Firstly, good evening, everyone. Thank you, Bollywood Hangama. Thank you, Suleiman sir, for this one. This one's really special because धड़क 2 एक ऐसी फिल्म है मेरी ज़िंदगी में that I got an opportunity to perform in at a very early stage. It took a lot from me, and it definitely gave me a lot of love. So this award I would like to dedicate to Shazia Iqbal, who's also the writer and the director of the film. For Karan Johar, to having the faith in the film. And this film actually went through a lot of cuts and ups and downs to even get released in this country. And this award also I would like to dedicate to the tragedies which we see, the honor-killing tragedies which we see, which recently have been, I saw something which really broke my heart. To all the survivors, to all the fighters, to all the panthers, to everyone who feels they are an outsider, an outcast. So this award is for them. And I might get emotional because this film was quite a ride. But anyway, thank you so much. I'm missing Tripti here. But well, if she was here, she would be really proud. So thank you. And also next year is going to be very special. As you all know, the biopic of V. Shantaram Anna Sahib has been announced. And again, very fortunate to actually step into his shoes at such an early age. It's quite pressurizing, but I hope I'll live up to that. So thank you so much for having faith in me, and thank you for calling me here and awarding me whatever I deserve, or maybe even more than what I deserve. So I keep working hard and keep hustling till I
breathe. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Big congratulations,
Beautiful.
Siddhant. Thank you very much.
Siddhant, I have a question. कौन है वो बॉलीवुड का ई-वूटर जो पूरी शिद्दत से रोमांस करता है और उतने ही जोश के साथ एक्शन भी डिलीवर करता है?
विकी कौशल.
विकी कौशल ना?
हाँ, क्योंकि
क्या
मैंने
बात?
बैड न्यूज में देखा, बहुत रोमांस किया उन्होंने तृप्ति के साथ. और छावा में
खुशी
देखा,
से बोल रहे, जलन से बोल रहे हैं?
मतलब नहीं, खुशी से बोल रहा हूं. और छावा में मैंने देखा बहुत ही खूंखार एक्शन और बहुत ही कमाल का परफॉर्मेंस. वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट परफॉर्मेंसेस ऑफ दिस ईयर, सो आई थिंक विकी कौशल.
क्या बात है. Absolutely fine. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, yeah, brother. Thank you, and thank you, presenters, for doing the honor.
All right, चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे.
All right. Let's go for our next category.
Hina Khan, the title of the most enigmatic performer. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please put our hands together as I invite Rohit Khilnani from Bollywood Hungama on stage.
Every award gives you a certain confidence whenever you take it, wherever you take it. This is special. I think this is my first with Bollywood Hungama, is it? As far as I remember.
Many more to come.
Many more to come. So firsts are always special. ये गृह लक्ष्मी के लिए है. तो गृह लक्ष्मी, as you all know, has been very, very special to me, and it'll always stay close to my heart because I was working in different condition while I was shooting for Grih Lakshmi. So thank you, Bollywood Hungama, and thanks to you people who love me, who keep appreciating me, and who want to watch me more on screen. Thank you so much.
Let's move on to our next category. Amante presents Trend-Setting Star of the Year. This year, Amante has completed its 18 glorious years. So, let's see the nominees.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. CST स्टेशन सामने बैठा है.
To
इनका
present
प्लेटफॉर्म
this
नंबर 4.
award, sorry, may we please have Tasha, Mr. Deepak Jain,
Yeah,
CEO
ma'am.
Amante, India and Sri Lanka, and Mr. Nishal as Head of Marketing Amante on stage, please.
कहा इतना तगड़ा हुआ है, उसकी पीठ में भी 3 बाइसेप निकले. मैंने यूं हाथ लगाया, कुड़ुक कुड़ुक.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And the Trendsetter Star of the Year award goes to Aditi Rao Haitre.
Thank you. And can we please make a habit of this? Thank you, Bollywood Hungama. Thank you to the entire team. Thank you, Suleiman sir. I can't thank Sanjay sir enough. I love him dearly. Thank you to the Netflix team. I love you guys. And thank you to the universe, to Sanjay sir for giving Bibbo Jan to me and making her mine. It's really been special, and thank you to all of you for all the love. Now I better shut up.
Thank you so much, and big congratulations once again for the award for It's a Mystery. एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
Trend-setting star of the year. Listen, I'm a trend-setting star. That means it's
Absolutely.
all the time. Every day, 24/7.
Yeah.
365 days. Thanks. Bye.
Buzz, I love that. I love that. All right.
Congrats, honey. I'm a big fan. Big fan.
Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, up to the next one.
The next category, Helios Lux presents Youth Icon of the Year Female. And the nominees are... To present this award, may I please invite Mr. Javed KM, Retail Head and General Manager, Titan Company Limited, on the stage, please.
Youth Icon of the Year Female, and the winner is Sharvari.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Bollywood Hungama. Thank you so much, Suleiman sir, for this honor. I'm really grateful to be the Youth Icon of the Year. बहुत ही भारी title है, but I have a long way to go, and I just want to thank a few people who believed in me. All my directors, my producers, my co-actors, and the media fraternity, everybody who believed in me and cheered on for me. So thank you so much. And like I said, miles to go, and here's to working hard. And lastly, thank you to my Ai, my Baba, and all my family and friends. Thank you.
Big congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sharvari. Thank you.
All right, while Manish is helping her down.
चलिए, moving on.
You're having too much fun, huh?
मजे ही तो करने हैं.
Up next is the category GM Fabrics presents Mold Breaker of the Year.
All right, let's have a look at the nominees.
And to the honors, may we please have Mr. Gurvinder Singh and Mrs. Ramanjit Kaur, directors of GM Fabrics, on stage.
So the winner is Nusrat Barucha.
And I'm just going to keep it really short. Chori 1 and 2 meant so much to me. We're going to do another one now, and it's just really tough for a girl to make a franchise of her own. And trust me, it's not alone. It was my producer, my director, all my co-actors, everybody who's really been there for me. Raj, I love you, bro. Rakul, Sharvari, all of you guys. So I just want to take this on behalf of that one girl who thought she's just going to be a rom-com girl and is now doing this. Just thank you so much for this, guys. Thank you, thank you. From this chori to all of you all. Thank you so much.
Nusrat, don't go, huh? Don't go. I love you. You look amazing.
Thanks,
okay?
babe.
But we have a contest winner of GM Fabrics. She's a big fan, Yashna Agarwal. You have to, there's a date planned for you.
Girl?
So,
All
can we
right.
please
Okay. Yashna
have
Agarwal.
Yashna here.
Well, the lucky fan had a great moment, and आप चाहें तो थोड़ी देर में इनसे आराम से बैठ के बातें भी कर सकते हैं. But a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Yashna, and a big hand for Nusrat. Thank you so much, Nusrat. Congratulations, and thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. लाइए मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ यार.
Let's put our hands together for the next category. Satvik presents Special Mention for Acting Excellence Male. Let's look at the nominees. To present the award, may I please invite Ms. Anika Bansal, Director Satvik, on the stage.
Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. Special mention for acting excellence, male. This award goes to Mr. Pankaj Tripathi.
Pankaj ji!
मेरा लोड तुम क्यों उठाओगे? हाँ, ये भारी है ये तो. थैंक यू सो मच. ये स्पेशल मेंशन है तो मुझे किसी एक डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर को थैंक यू नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा. सो धन्यवाद बॉलीवुड हंगामा और फिल्म फेटर्निटी इंडस्ट्री और जनता जनार्दन जो सब मिलजुल के हमें बनाती हैं. और थैंक यू मैम आपका भी, आपने मुझे इस सम्मान से नवाजा. रात बहुत हो गई है, नींद आ रही है, सो ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो मच पंकज. आपकी आंखों में जो इंटेंसिटी है ना, वैसे बड़ी कमाल की है. सीरियसली मैंने कोशिश करी थी कालीन भाई की तरह थोड़ा इंटेंस होने की. मुझे लड़कियों ने जो कालीन बना के नीचे बिछाया, ऊपर चली है ना सर, ये आप ही कर सकते हैं. एक बार जोरदार तालियां पंकज भाई के लिए हो जाए. It's too good.
Okay, quickly moving on to the next categories. Rare Rabbit presents Mega Performer of the Year, a rare choice.
And the nominees are एक एक्टर बहुत उछल रहा है कि कब आएगा मे बी. टू प्रेजेंट दिस अवार्ड मे आई प्लीज इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज नीरज रॉय ऑफ बॉलीवुड हंगामा टू डू द ऑनर्स. नीरज जी, आई थिंक कहीं गए, किसी को मौका ना मिला हो.
मैं दे दूं अवार्ड. मैं दे दूं अवार्ड.
हाँ प्लीज यार, तुम
मैं देती हूं.
आई थिंक एल्लास विल डू द ऑनर्स.
And the winner is Ayushmann Khurrana for Thar.
Oh my God!
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Bollywood Hangama. Thank you so much, Suleiman sir, and all the journalists and the media for being extremely supportive and lovable. And this has been extremely special. My first Diwali release and the highest opener of my life. It really matters because, you know, the propensity to take risks, it really increases. And this emboldens me because I'm a quintessential risk taker. 12 घंटे की शिफ्ट लगा के अभी आ रहा हूँ और कल फिर से 12 घंटे की शिफ्ट है. सुबह 6 बजे नायगांव जाना है, मीरा रोड के आगे क्लाइमैक्स शूट है. 4 पेज का सीन है, बस लाइनें याद रह जाए. मेरे को इस बात की टेंशन है अभी.
क्या बात है. बट मैं आज एक ही बात की टेंशन है, आज फुल मून नाइट है, तेरे दांत ना निकल आए बाहर.
Thank you so much for Thama.
Yeah.
Aditya sir, Amar sir, Dinu sir, and everyone.
क्या बात है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. लेकिन आयुष्मान ने मुझे कहा था यार मैं आ रहा हूँ, प्लीज ऐसे मुझे मत जाने दियो, मेरे को एक स्टेप करवा दियो। तो मैंने कहा ठीक है।
मैंने योगा करते करते मेरा अंगूठा मुड़ गया है, मैं नहीं कर सकता।
को योगा से कुछ नहीं करना, हम ऊपर ऊपर से हिलेंगे, नीचे से कुछ मत हिलाना। ओ सॉरी, दैट डजंट राउट है।
फर्स्ट फिल्म।
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, लेट्स हैव द म्यूजिक।
यार सुन, ये 12 सिंह हटा दे, डर लग रहा है मुझे।
एक बार
थैंक यू मनीष, थैंक यू।
जोरदार
तीन बार नीचे रिक्वेस्ट करना है कि डांस करेंगे, मेरा अंगूठा
3 बार बोले हैं, मेरे को कान में बोली जा रहा है डांस कराना, म्यूजिक ही नहीं है इनके पास। Alright, moving on, ladies and gentlemen.
Coming up next is the category Bevzilla presents Most Loved Performer of the Year.
Alright, and the nominees are. To do the honors, may I please welcome on stage Mr. Pranay Nirgode, business head, Bevzilla, on stage, please.
Most loved performer of the year, and the winner is Huma Qureshi.
Whoa!
Yeah, Huma!
Thank you so much, Bollywood Hangama, Suleiman sir. This is really, really special. Most loved performer. Yeah, it's been a really special year. I think lots of releases, lots of different distinct characters. The love for Maharani, I don't know, it just never stops. I know the Netflix team is here. So, for Badi Didi, thank you for giving me Badi Didi, Tanya, Shoaib, the whole team. You know, when I got the call for Delhi Crime, Apurva called me, the producer. Actually, Mukesh called me first. पहली बार जिंदगी में ढंग का phone call किया उसने. But Mukesh, this is a shout out for you. They called me and I thought they were going to offer me the cops part. But when they offered me Badi Didi, I don't know, the actor in me just sort of was so gleeful that I'll get to do something so different. So thank you for this. It really, really means a lot. And to the entire teams, all the incredible people I worked with, this one is for you guys.
क्या बात है, मेरा बहुत मन था हुमा से थोड़ी मस्ती करने का, टांग खींचने का, लेकिन जब मैंने इसकी वेब सीरीज देखी मैं थोड़ा डर गया। मैंने कहा कहीं ये गुस्से में मुझे ये ना कहे तेरी खाड़ खींच के जूती बना दूंगी। क्या डायलॉग था, एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए यार। यार जाने से पहले कुछ उस एक्सेंट में कुछ बोल दो ना सबके लिए यार।
क्या बोलूं भाई?
नहीं मतलब आज की शाम कैसी लग रही है?
ठीक है।
ठीक है। ये रकुलप्रीत कैसी लग रही, कुछ कहना है चारों के बारे में सामने जो बैठी?
फ्लावर पहन रखा छोरी ने ड्रेस पे। फ्लावर हो रही, तू भी लग रहा है।
मैं भी फ्लावर लग रहा हूँ।
तू तो लग रहा है पंपकिन।
क्या बात है, लव दैट यार, एक बार जोरदार तालियां। आई लव दैट। Thank you so much.
Both of you guys, amazing, great job. Keep making us, I don't know, laughing and entertaining. You guys are amazing.
Thank you so much.
Beauty and the Beast.
इतने पैसे दे देते हैं, काम अच्छा करना पड़ता है। आइए सर, आइए। बहुत अच्छे। कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक।
क्या बात है, बहुत खुश हैं आप। हुमा की तरफ आप देख रहे थे with awe. Thank you.
All right, our next category, GM Fabrics presents Best Director Original Film.
And the nominees are.
Present the award, may I please request Mr. Gurvinder Singh and Mrs. Ramanjit Kaur, directors of GM Fabrics, to join us on stage, please.
Good evening, everyone. Best Director Original Film, and the winner is Boman Irani.
Thank you very much, Bollywood Hangama, Suleiman. Thank you, all of you, especially. I'm not going to do a short speech.
Take your time, sir. We don't want you for a short
time. It took me 14 years to make this movie.
Take your time, sir. We love you.
And you know, whenever I tell young directors or my students how much trouble I went through to get it commissioned, to get it cast, it was pulled off, the rug was pulled out just a few weeks before we started, and then thank you Amazon Prime for supporting me. You know, they said, sir, if you have so much trouble getting your film made, what about us? I said, you know what? The problem is not because I am in the business for God knows how long. It's because I'm a debutante, and debutantes have to struggle. And I think that is important. I cannot take anything for granted that because I'm an actor. If I wanted a role in a film and I'll ask you, you probably will give me a role, won't you?
All right.
But just because I'm an actor for 30, 35 years does not mean that I have the right to become a director and have a free pass. There are no shortcuts and there are no silver bullets. Please understand that. Secondly, for my first film, they say 5 for the kitchen and then 1 for the soul.
Yeah.
I made 1 for the soul first.
Oh, nice.
Kitchen ka bhi dekhna hai baki. All I want to say is, Aparna Shoaib is here from Amazon Prime for supporting me. Aparna met me when she was an assistant on Well Done Abba, and she said, I want to work in the first film you'll ever do. And strangely, we did. Also want to thank Sujoy Ghosh. And in these times, you don't see large-heartedness like that. He came pitching a film, and he mentioned the one-liner of Mehta Boys. And he said, this is the story, it's a one-line. I said, I don't want to act in it, I want to direct it. And you know what he said? In a heartbeat, he said, it's yours. You don't get that these days. You don't get that. So Sujoy, thank you to my cast, my crew. And yeah, I tell you what I did very good on Mehta Boys. I cast and I crewed very well.
How nice.
That's most important. Get a good cast, get a good crew, and enjoy every minute that you're behind the camera, in front of the camera, because as an 11-year-old boy, that's all I ever wanted to do. So I am not going to be miserable whenever I land on the set. Be happy in your work, people. Don't scream and shout on the set. Be happy in what you do. That's what you always want to do, right? So be happy in your work, right? God bless you all. I'm really, really honored. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Love you, sir. We love you. Thank you so much.
Maman, so before you go, we've planned something special for you.
Of course.
As it's your 66th birthday.
Don't
we have GM Fabrics has put together a specially designed bed sheet for you. So we would love to give that to you.
The bed sheet.
Bed sheet.
सर विद योर फोटो ऑन इट आप अपनी चादर बिछा के उसी पे लेटिएगा सर
Don't get into my bedroom, man.
क्या बात है सर अच्छा फेस थोड़ा ऊपर है अच्छा फेस थोड़ा ऊपर है लेटेंगे तो थैंक यू सो मच सर मेरे पास भी एक फिल्म का आइडिया है मैं आपको सुना देता हूँ आपकी थी मेहता बॉयज सर मैं आपको सुनाता हूँ 2 लड़कों की कहानी है वो बोट में जा रहे थे वो बोट से नीचे गिर गए पानी में बहने लग गए उन पे फिल्म बनाएंगे बहता बॉयज आई लव यू सर जोरदार तालियां बहुत सर ऑलराइट विद दैट मैं एक क्विक ब्रेक लेता हूँ मुझे स्कूटर चलाने जाना है मेरे को बाहर उन्होंने कहा एक स्कूटर चलाओ उसकी बाइट है मैं उधर क्या दूं जस्ट हैंडल द शो बेब्स आई विल सी यू इन 5 चलिए अब बढ़ते आगे लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन
All right, let's put our hands together for our next category. Rareism presents Best Actor Female Original Film, The Rare Choice.
And the nominees are...
Let's welcome my director, the Mastizada, Milab Zaveri on the stage. Where is he?
100 करोड़ वाली फिल्म के डायरेक्टर स्टेज पे आते हुए जोरदार तालियां मिलाप जावेरी के लिए
And the best actor female original film, the winner is Sania Malhotra.
Hi, good evening everyone. This one's special because Mrs. is really, really close to my heart. Thank you so much, Bollywood Hangama, Suleiman sir, and everyone who watched Mrs. and all the amazing women who helped me build Richa. And thank you so much, Aarti, Harman, and the amazing team that I got to work with. Yeah, thanks a lot for loving Mrs. so much.
क्या बात है कांग्रेचुलेशंस यार इंस्टाग्राम पे सबको माचा पिलाती है और फिल्म में पोचा चाय पिलाई है क्या बात है यार बहुत कांग्रेचुलेशंस थैंक यू सो मच
थैंक यू
आइए
Sania, before you leave, I have a question. So, according to you, who's the one celebrity who's like completely unapologetic, just speaks their mind, out there, you know, someone who comes to your mind?
Manish. Huma. But you are like that. You fit the description.
हुमा के बात नहीं करती सीधी बात करती है इसलिए उसका नाम लिया गया बट बहुत बढ़िया बहुत धन्यवाद एंड मिलाप आपको जब मेल आता है वो हो जाता है मेल मिलाप थैंक यू सो मच आइए प्लीज टेक केयर सीट थैंक यू ये अपने घर नहीं लेके जाना है माना 100 करोड़ वाली पिक्चर दी है
Next category of the evening is Sleeps by Raymond presents Best Actor Male Original Film.
And the nominees are
do the honors. Let's welcome Manish Paul on stage.
Thank you so much, my God. All right, let's see who the winner is. ये अवार्ड मैं अनाउंस कर रहा हूं और ये एक्सेप्ट भी उनके बिहाफ में मैं कर रहा हूं बिकॉज वो मुझे यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहे हैं. Let's have a big hand for Abhishek Bachchan for Kalidhar Lapata. Let's have a big hand. Thank you. On behalf of Abhishek Bachchan, I would like to thank everybody. And वो बहुत कमाल की स्पीच देते हैं, उतनी मैं नहीं दे पाऊंगा. मैं यही करूंगा, ये ट्रॉफी मैं उन तक डेफिनेटली पहुंचा.
We have a video of his.
Oh yeah, you have.
Yes.
Oh lovely. तो प्ले करो, खड़ी क्यों हो?
Yes.
Hello everyone, namaste. First and foremost, thank you so much for this wonderful honor. I'm very humbled, very inspired. Thank you Bollywood Hungama, my friend Suleiman, and to the entire OTT Fest for giving me this honor. Kalidhar Lapata is a very special film for me, and I'm so happy that it's been recognized by all of you all. So thank you. It's very gracious of you. I need to thank some very important people without whom this would not have been possible. To start off with my director, the wonderful Madhumita. You're just brilliant. Thank you, Madhumita, for guiding me and directing me in the correct ways and just making this possible. To a wonderful production team and to just the best producers, my dear friends, Madhu, Monisha and Nikhil from MA Entertainment for believing in this film, believing in me and making it happen. Obviously, I'd love to thank ZEE5 for giving us the platform to be able to showcase this film and bringing the film out to you, the audience. A wonderful cast and crew. Goirik, thank you so much for all your help. And last but certainly not the least, to my dearest Devik, who played opposite me, with me, showed me how to be a better person and has just given the most wonderful performance. Devik, God bless you. Thank you for your collaboration. Thank you for your talent. And thank you for being so wonderful and understanding. I wish you all the very best. I'm so sorry I couldn't be with you all today. I had planned to be there, but unfortunately, something personal came up and I had to fly out of the city, which I'm going to be doing right now. But enjoy the evening again to Bollywood Hungama and to the OTT Film Fest. Thank you so much for this wonderful honor. I'm truly very inspired. And congratulations to all the other nominees and to all the winners. Have a great evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhishek.
क्या speech दे, मैंने वही कहा था यार. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's quickly move on to our next category. GeoTV and GeoTV Plus presents Best Actor Female Original Series. And the nominees are right here.
Ooh. May I please invite Mr. Avinash Khanna, Geo Platforms, on the stage to do the honors, please.
Mr. Avinash Khanna, Geo
Avinash
Platforms
Khanna.
Limited on stage, doing the honor.
Hey, good evening, people. And the best actor female for original series. And the winner is Tilotama Shome for Pata Lok Season 2.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You look beautiful.
Thank you, so do you.
Thank
you so
you.
much. Bollywood Hungama, Suleiman, the jury for considering me worthy of this award. But most importantly, to the creator, showrunner, Sudeep Sharma, my director, Avinash Arun, the wonderful room of writers, Abhishek Banerjee, not the actor, the writer, Tamal Sen, Rahul Kanodia. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to play a character like Meghna Barua, a police officer, a single mother, and to play a woman walking through the corridors of power in an extremely patriarchal setup and still managing to do the job was a tremendous high and a tremendous honor. To all the real Meghna Baruas out there who are doing their jobs every day despite their everyday challenges, a big salute to you and to the entire team of Pata Lok, Amazon, for giving me this most wonderful character to play and to be part of a show that I love and I'm a huge fan of. So thank you.
Congratulations to you.
All right, moving on to our next category.
Most enchanting artist of the year. What say, ladies and gentlemen? She truly deserves it, right? And for this, let me please call on stage Mr. Amandeep Singh Anand, the director from FEMA Carlo Frattini, India, to please present the trophy of Most Enchanting Artist of the Year to Tejasvi Prakash.
Alright, चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे.
All right, let's go for our next category. Helios Lux presents Best Actor Male Original Series, Popular Choice.
Alright, and the nominees are...
To present this award, please welcome Anya Bangar and Mr. Javed KM, Retail Head and General Manager, Titan Company Limited, on stage, please.
Hi everyone, and the award goes to Zahan Kapoor for Black Forest.
Alright, a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Zahan.
Thank you. Thank you so much. There is so much love that I am getting for this show, for this story, for this character. I'm running out of ways. I had to think of more ways to be grateful. So keep doing this so I can keep improvising. But I just want to say thank you to, of course, everyone. Everyone who's in this room has had somebody else take a chance on them. And often they've not been the first choice. So thank you to everyone who took a chance. And thank you to everyone else who's been given a chance. And, you know, cheers to getting more opportunities and being able to do what we love. So thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Big congratulations to you, yaar. Big congratulations to you. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. लेकिन जान, इससे पहले तुम मैं तुम्हारा हाथ नापना चाहता हूँ. मैं पूछो क्यों? एक सेकंड. नहीं, मैं हाइट नहीं नाप रहा यार. तुमने हाइट अपने कद जो है ना, वो यहाँ से नहीं, तुमने अपनी परफॉर्मेंस से दिखाया है. मैं कद नहीं नाप रहा, मैं हाथ देख रहा हूँ. बताता हूँ क्यों. मैं सिर्फ देखना चाह रहा था कानून के हाथ कितने लंबे होते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच यार. आज मेरे पास बंगला है, गाड़ी है, बैंक बैलेंस है, बिल्डिंग है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
बॉलीवुड हंगामा का अवार्ड है.
क्या बात है. सुपर. कांग्रेचुलेशंस यार.
All right, our next category is Vida Powered by Hero presents Best Actor Male Original Series, The Electrifying Performer.
And the nominees are...
Good evening, everyone. The Best Actor Male Most Electric Performer of the Year goes to Jaideep Alawat for Patal Lok Season 2.
किधर जा रहे हो जयदीप भाई? जयदीप भाई. वाओ, जयदीप भाई लिटरली ऐसे भागे जैसे फैमिली मैन में भी भाग रहे थे तेज. एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए जयदीप भाई के लिए. दो शब्द.
मुझे लगा तू 2-4 पीजे मारेगा मेरे ऊपर, मैं इससे पहले निकल लेता हूँ.
बड़े पैसे देते हैं उसी के, मुझे क्या करूँ. चलो.
Yeah, this is heavy, ma'am. You rightly said, and I always say this: Patal Lok cannot be there without the creator Sudeep Sharma. Thank you for this. My director and DOP अविनाश, Amazon, इस पूरी टीम, जितना प्यार उन्होंने दिया, जितना साथ दिया उसके लिए, the entire cast and crew of Patal Lok, and thank you Bollywood Hangama, Sulaiman ji, and thank you Manish for entertaining all of us with your greatest speeches all together.
बहुत मेहनत लगती है इसमें, बट कर लेता हूँ मैं किसी तरह यार. बट अब आपने कहा है पीजे, तो एक तो मारना पड़ेगा. मैं बताना चाहता हूँ जयदीप भाई बहुत कमाल के परफॉर्मर हैं. इन्होंने झूल तीप में इतना अच्छा डांस किया कि आज के बाद नौरा फतेही की डेट मिले ना मिले, इनकी बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है. ये भी आजकल शोज करें डांस के. एक बार जोरदार तालियां जयदीप भाई.
थैंक यू सो मच.
All right, our next category is for Jio TV and Jio TV Plus presents Best Original Series, People's Choice.
And the nominees are...
To do the honors, may I please have Mr. Avinash Khanna, Jio Platforms Ltd, on the stage.
Good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure this was a tough one because this year has been full of some kick-ass OTT shows, and we all have been hooked to it. But the best original series for People's Choice, and the winner is Black Warrant.
क्या बात है यार, well deserving. बढ़िया शो था यार. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Brilliant.
I want to know if we're getting another season.
Absolutely.
Yay!
doubt?
You guys must.
No, I think just on behalf of everybody, thank you so much for loving our show. Thank you on behalf of teams and Applause, Andolan. Netflix are fabulous partners. Satyanshu, who's worked very hard to create the show along with Vikram. So claps to everybody, to Jahan, to the entire cast and crew.
Thank you so much. This is such a special moment, standing here in December and receiving an award for a show that we launched in January. Really brings us a full circle. It's been a special year, and this is a very, very special show. And Manish, yes, there is a second season. They're hard at it, so I'll leave Satyanshu to answer that one.
We must thank Mr. Sunil Gupta and Sunitra Chaudhary, on whose book we based the series. And Sunil Gupta worked in Tihar for 35 years, but Zahan has portrayed a 3-year stint. So I'm sure there is a lot of story to be told. So we should hope for another season.
Thank you, of course, to Vikram, who's created this, the whole team of writers, creators, and of course our partners, Applause, Sameer, Deepak. Thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
All right.
All right, up next is the category for Best Original Series of the Year.
ये तो मेरा line था.
And the nominees are...
ये भी मेरा To present this award, may I please invite Naira Banerjee on the stage.
Best Original Series of the Year, and the winner is Delhi Crime Season 3.
All right.
Thank you so much. Delhi Crime is a really, really special show. But before that, thank you, Bollywood Hangama, for giving all our titles on Netflix so much love. All the wonderful artists who fulfill these wonderful parts in our titles. Thank you for the amazing, amazing parts you've played, and congratulations to all. To Delhi Crime, you know, Delhi Crime is super special to us because it sort of flags off our journey in India almost 10 years ago, and now standing in the, you know, the end of 2025, we turn the corner and we'll turn 10 in India. So for season 3 and 10 years in India, this is super special.
Wow.
I'll be remiss if I don't thank Ruchi Mehta, the creator who started it all, but of course, the creator for our current season, the showrunner, the director, Tanuj. This one's for you. Apurva, Mike, our partners, our producers, you know, thank you for everything you've done, and the wonderful, wonderful writers, Shubhra, Mayank, Anu, thank you for this really special show. And to Delhi, the city that keeps inspiring a million stories. Thank you.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Ma'am, season 4 के लिए मैं हूँ ना. ठीक है?
Depends on the crime you commit.
I'll cry.
But of
I'll
course, I
commit
have
any
to-
crime
Okay.
just to be in Delhi crime.
You know, we have the cop right here, so she must say a word.
I only have 2 words that, oh, no, 3. It's yes, madam, sir.
Thank you and congratulations. Thank you very much.
This one is for the lovely cast of Delhi Crime. Somebody once told us कि आप लोग तो पुलिस वालों से भी ज़्यादा पुलिस वाले लगते हो. It's a lovely ensemble cast to work with, so this is for all of us.
Manish, next category भी उनके लिए है जिन्होंने audience का मन बहला रखा है. Best Director, Original Series, People's Choice Award. And the nominees are... Wow. To do the honors, may I please have Naira back, please?
Naira, we'd love to have you back
We
on
need
stage.
you back.
Naira अपने friend से बहुत busy friend ही अनूप
Best Director Original Series, People's Choice, and the winner is Vikramaditya Motwane
for Black Warren.
Thank you, Bollywood Hangama, for this award. This is my first directing award, but there were 5 directors on Black Warren. Black Warren was a series, 7 episodes, but 5 directors. Vikramaditya Motwane, myself, Arkesh Ajay, Rohin, and Ambika. So I'm sure this is shared between all 5 of us. Of course, this happened because someone like Vikramaditya Motwane trusted 4 upcoming filmmakers and empowered them. We know that this is a rare thing in our industry. So thank you, Vikram sir, for making this happen. Thank you, Applause, our producers, they are here. Netflix for giving us a home. And the wonderful cast and crew of Black Warrant. Zahan is still here. And everyone who is not here, thank you everyone for helping us do this. Directors are only as good as the cast and crew. So thank you. And thanks finally to my agents at Tulsi for being the best supporters in my career. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. And
Well
thank you,
done.
Naira, for doing the honors. Thank you very much.
Moving on to our next category, the Nature Co. presents Best Actor Male, Original Series, People's Choice.
And the nominees are...
To the honors, may we please have Mr. Sahil Vora, co-founder of the Nature Co., the healthiest breakfast brand of India, on stage.
All right, let's see who the winner is.
Hi, good evening, everyone. The Best Actor Male Original Series People's Choice winner is Prateek Gandhi for Sare Jahan.
कहाँ किधर भैया कुछ तो बोलो भाई
भाग रहा था.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Bollywood Hungama. This is very special because the show is very special for all of us in the team, and Netflix team is here. I know how much effort everybody has put in behind the show. So thank you Netflix for backing the show like this. We've seen a lot of different types of spies and spy masters all our life. And now this is a spy that I guess I personally could connect the most because he was a human. He was not flying anywhere. He was just in the office, making calls, doing analysis, and then trying to avoid the wars and not having the war. So all the heroes who are still making us all safe without the wars, this is for them. So thank you very much. Thank you.
बिग कंग्रेचुलेशंस. वैसे मैं सबको बताना चाहता हूं प्रतीक गांधी से ज्यादा शातिर एक्टर कोई नहीं है. पहले इसने स्कैम किया, फिर खुद ही रॉ का एजेंट बन गया. इसने कहा मैं खुद ही स्कैम करके खुद को क्लीन चिट दूंगा. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इसके लिए होनी चाहिए. Amazing this man is. I love this.
Well done.
All right, moving on, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, coming up next is the category Smoor presents Best Actor Female Original Series People's Choice.
And the nominees are...
And to present the award, may I please request Mr. Neeraj Roy, founder and managing director, Hungama Digital Media Entertainment, and Ms. Kanchan Ajpal, Chief Marketing Officer, Smoor, to join us on the stage, please.
Good evening again. The Best Actor Female Original Series People's Choice, and the winner is Prajakta Kohli for Miss
Prajakta Kohli!
Thank you so much. Good evening, everybody. Honestly, the biggest honor is to even be in a list with everybody that was on the screen right now. I have so many people to thank for this. To begin with, Bollywood Hungama, thank you so much for always being such a constant cheerleader in my life. Thank you, Rohit Khilnani, for doing what you do for me. Big ups to Netflix, Panchami Ghavri, for casting me, and to the makers, to the writers. And this is not complete without my partner, which is Rohit Saraf. So, partner in crime, this is Rohit Saraf. Because Rishi and Dimple kind of go together. So thank you so much. Thank you.
क्या बात है. लेकिन बहुत से लोगों को लगता है प्राजक्ता कोहली एंड विराट कोहली में कोई रिलेशन है, कोई समानता है, लेकिन मैं बताना चाहता हूँ एक सिमिलैरिटी तो है तुम दोनों में, एक कनेक्शन है. दोनों जब पिच पे उतरते तो भैया सीधा छक्के छुड़ा देते हैं यार. कमाल की परफॉर्मेंस तुम करते हो. लेकिन कोहली की बात बड़ी फेमस है, जब भी वो जीतते हैं, विकेट जाती है, छक्का मारते तो उछल उछल के यूं करके करते हैं. सो तुम अवार्ड जीते हो, मैं चाहता हूँ यू शुड रिक्रिएट दैट टू कीप दैट मोमेंट अलाइव. ओके, लेकिन उन शब्दों का इस्तेमाल मत करना.
नहीं,
शब्दों का इस्तेमाल बिना शब्द इस्तेमाल किए जरा.
We'll do it together.
या कोई म्यूजिक लगा दो यार थोड़ा है सर. ओके, म्यूजिक.
हमारे दोनों के बीच में एक और चीज भी कॉमन है कि हम दोनों मनीष पॉल के बहुत बड़े फैन
ओए होए क्या बात है, थैंक यू। सारी लड़कियां सुन लो, सबको आगे यही बोलना है, सबका चेक घर तक पहुंच जाएगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, थैंक यू सो मच प्राजक्ता, कांग्रेचुलेशन, डूइंग अमेजिंग वर्क।
Thank you everybody, have a good evening.
I love what you're wearing, by the way. So classy. Love it.
Wow. ये येलो कलर है ना? ये मैं घर लेके जाऊंगा। अरे तुम्हारा। Our next category is HCG presents Best Actor Female Popular, and the nominees are.
To present the award, may I please invite Mr. Kamlesh Kataria, Head of Marketing and Sales, Mumbai Cluster Healthcare Global Limited, on the stage, please.
Good evening, everyone, once again. And the Best Actor Female, Original Series Popular Choice, and the winner is Miss Bhumi Penkar for the Royals.
Well, good evening everyone. Thank you Bollywood Hungama. मेरी पहली फिल्म दम लगा के हईशा से लेके अब तक 10 साल हो गए हैं. And over the last 10 years, Suleiman, the entire team at Bollywood Hungama, all of y'all have really supported me. So thank you so much. Royals was my first outing where I was trying something different, a longer format, and I'm glad it was with the team at Netflix. I don't know where they are, so thank you so much. Tanya, Monica, Shikha, my directors, everybody at PNC, my star cast, everybody, thank you so much. I truly had a lot of fun being a part of Royals, and yeah, to many more. Thank you.
क्या बात है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां for the natural star भूमि पेडनेकर। नाम में भूमि भी है, पेड़ भी है, पानी का ब्रांड भी खोल लिया है। वैसे मैं भी आजकल अल्कलाइन पानी पीता हूँ। नहीं बैग भी पीता हूँ, नहीं वो भी अल्कलाइन पीता हूँ। मेरी हेल्प का नाम अलका है, वो लाइन में खड़े होकर पानी लेके आती है, तो वही पानी मैं पीता हूँ।
Congratulations, Bhumi. Listen, where did you get these earrings from? Tonight I'm just looking at everybody's dresses and earrings and like.
Absolutely, यार, because बहुत कमाल के हैं ना।
हाँ.
It's amazing, man.
Great, love it, beautiful.
All right, let's get up for the next category. HCG presents Iconic Humanitarian of Indian Showbiz.
Present this award, may I please invite Rahul Dev and Mr. Kamlesh Kataria, Head of Marketing and Sales, Mumbai Cluster Healthcare Global Limited, on the stage, please.
The Iconic Humanitarian of Indian Showbiz Award goes to.
Oh, of
and
course.
the winner is Mr. Sonu Sood.
Of course.
Well done यार, so proud of you. क्या लग रहे हो आप लोग यार?
Thank you so much सोनू भाई, thank you so much.
वेल मुझे बोला, आपको नहीं।
अगर मैं कोई यहाँ पर प्लेटफॉर्म का बोलते हैं ना कि कॉल लेने वाला होता तो मैं अभी वेब सीरीज एक तगड़ी वाली अनाउंस कर देता आप दोनों के लिए।
क्या बात है यार, ये ना बात हो गया एलनाज, हमारा काम हो गया, बहुत बढ़िया।
हिंट दे दिया मैंने वैसे सबको।
बस आगे बहुत से प्रोड्यूसर्स मेकर्स यहाँ बैठे हैं, सो वी वेरी हैप्पी। थैंक यू सो मच सोनू भाई।
But yeah, thank you so much Bollywood Hungama, thank you so much Sullivan bhai for making this happen. Yeah, though I haven't started my journey in the world of web series, but thank you so much for making some great content and giving such huge stars. Love you all and so proud of you. God bless you and just keep shining always. Thank you so much, Dada.
Thank you so much. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Sonu Sood. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir. Shall we move on to our next category? Truly Madly presents Best On-Screen Jodi of the Year, the perfect love story of the season.
All right, and the nominees are.
To present this award, may I please invite Mr. Snail Khanur, founder and CEO Truly Madly, on stage, please.
Good evening, everyone. Actually, this is one of my favorite movie also, and went with the wife to see this on a casual date night, but ended up for the last 20 minutes consoling her because she was so moved with the performance, and so happy to announce winner is Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda for Tiara.
or can I ask my question? You don't want to say anything? Oh my God, I loved you two in Sayara, by the way. You guys are amazing. Well done. But I just wanted to know something. What do you guys think about finding love online nowadays? What's your opinion? I feel like we live in such a 2025, it's a world of everything is online. What's your thought about finding love online? Both of you.
I don't really have any thoughts about that particularly. Do you? Would you like to answer that?
I mean, I'm a bit old school that way. I think I would definitely prefer if I found somebody that I was supposed to spend the rest of my life with in person. But to each their own. If somebody finds it online, then I mean, good for you. Great. Yay.
I love that. I'm old school too. I get you. Well done. You guys are amazing. And you both look great tonight. Congratulations. Good to see you guys.
Thank you and congratulations. Big hand, ladies and gentlemen. माइक हम अभी नहीं दे रहे हैं आपको ट्रॉफी के साथ, but congratulations to you. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Anit and Ahan, and many congratulations. Please put your hands together for the next category. Fixed Derma presents Outstanding Performance in a Leading Role Female.
And let's have a look at the nominees. And to present the award, may I please welcome on stage Pratik Patil, Priya Banerjee, and Ms. Shaili Mehrotra, founder and CEO, Fixed Derma. मैम मुझे लग रहा है आप अकेले यू आर क्वाइट केपेबल, आप अकेले प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, मुझे आप पे पूरा भरोसा है. Go for it, man.
So the outstanding performance in a leading role female, and the winner is Rakul Preet. Manish, I think you need to check why they made such a 10 kg का award. Is there a reason for it?
ये 10 kg का गाउन?
Award.
अच्छा अवार्ड, मैंने कहा गाउन तो उनका
अच्छी बात है ना.
नहीं आई नो अवार्ड मैम, भारी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए भारी अवार्ड ही चलता है, हल्का कैसे होगा, कमाल कर रही हैं आप. बनता है यार भारी परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ी है. बॉलीवुड हंगामा पहचानता है इस बात को, भारी भारी परफॉर्मेंसेस को अवार्ड मिल रहे हैं, इसलिए भारी ट्रॉफीज. एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर बॉलीवुड हंगामा. अगला शो भी मैं ही करूंगा. सॉरी बोलो.
अब मैं बोलती हूँ.
गो.
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, thank you so much, Bollywood Hangama, Suleiman, for giving me this award for De De Pyar De 2. I feel Aisha is one of my most loved characters, and the amount of love that we have received for the film, for the character, is really, really overwhelming. And I'd like to thank the entire team, because it's very rare to have author-backed roles for women in commercial films. So a big shout out to Lavranjan sir, to Tarun, the writer of the film, Anshul, my director, and the entire team, all my co-actors, Ajay sir, Maddie sir, for giving me the space to shine. So this one's for all of them, and thank you so much for all the love. Thank you.
Big congratulations to you. But before you also go, मेरा एक question है Ms. Mehrotra के लिए मैम. How's been the experience of associating with Bollywood Hangama OTT India Fest? We'd like to know.
Yeah, actually, it's really amazing. We were last year also with the Style Icon Awards. Also, we were associated with, and it's actually amazing to watch my favorite actors here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Ahlavat and Pankaj Mishra and Tilotoma Shome and all of them. I mean, it's amazing. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you so much, Rakul.
Congratulations, Rakul. You were amazing in the film. You look amazing right now. Oh my God, give me that dress. I love it. Amante presents Most Iconic Debut of the Year. This year, Amante has completed its 18 glorious years. So, to do the honors, let's welcome Mr. Deepak Jain, the CEO of Amante India and Sri Lanka, and Mr. Nishal, Head of Marketing, Amante, on stage.
Manish, if you recall, last time मैंने आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करी थी.
जी हाँ.
लास्ट ईयर मलाइका को मैंने जब अवार्ड प्रेजेंट किया था,
रिक्वेस्टेड
कि उनको लेके आऊंगा एज ए जेंटलमैन.
जी हाँ.
ठीक है, तो सेम रिक्वेस्ट इस बार भी मैं आपका एक थोड़ा सा काम चुराऊंगा.
ये आदमी की आंखों में पहली नॉटीनेस दिख रही थी मुझे. Go ahead.
Okay, and the award goes to the magician herself, Aneet Pada.
वो डब्बा लेने आ गई, उसने कहा कोई और ले जाए, मैं ही ले जाऊंगी. मैनेजर साहिबा, all yours.
I think I have far too many thank yous to say, so the more speeches I keep on giving, I think the better it is.
Take your time. We have 2 scooters. हम आराम से बैठेंगे.
Wow. No, but I think I'd just like to thank Bollywood Hangama. I'd like to thank Suleiman sir. I think it's really encouraging for somebody who's starting out like me to be recognized in this way. And I think it's incredibly motivating. So I'm just really excited to get to work.
क्या बात है यार, लेकिन यार एक चीज है, मैं तुमने अपना एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया था यंगर सेल्फ, है ना, ऑन स्टेज, और अगर उस छोटी बच्ची को आज सैयारा की सक्सेस के बारे में कहना हो तो क्या कहोगी? बहुत ही गहरा क्वेश्चन है, टेक योर टाइम.
But I think it's a really sweet question. And actually, I think I just thank her for having the audacity to dream bigger than what met her reality at the time. And even though circumstances weren't the most ideal, still having the courage to live it out and do everything that it took to get what she wanted. So I'm just really proud of her.
क्या बात है यार, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. लेकिन अब गहरा था, अब नॉट सो गहरा क्वेश्चन. पूरी फिल्म में गाते रहे सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है, तू तो बदला. क्या नहीं बदला था? पैंट नहीं बदली थी, कोट नहीं बदला था, टूथब्रश नहीं बदला, क्या नहीं बदला था?
Invalid question.
वाओ, आई लाइक दैट यार. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, आपने जो भी किया बहुत अच्छा किया, बहुत अच्छा काम किया. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए यार. आई थिंक वेरी वेरी नाइस टू हैव यू हियर. आइए मैं आपको छोड़ के आता हूँ. अब मैं छोड़ने जाऊंगा, बहुत हो गया आप.
Thank you, Aneet, and congratulations.
1 मिनट, मेरे 1.5 मिनट बचे हैं अभी. वहां से आहान ने ना ऐसे गुस्से में देखा है मुझे.
Yeah, Manish, you have all the fun while we are working here, huh?
ट्रॉफी घर छोड़ के आ जाओ उनकी, जाके घर छोड़ो.
We're talking about Urban Ladder presents most iconic debut of the year, Male, the star we can binge on.
And to do the honors, may I please welcome on stage Mr. Neeraj Roy, founder and managing director, Hangama Digital Media Entertainment, and Mr. Vivek Mehta, CEO of Urban Ladder.
The most iconic debut of the year, and the winner is Ahan Pandey.
I didn't really realize that I would be under the same roof with so many people I've looked up to, so many people from the fraternity. So for starters, I just wanted to say that Krish Kapoor was an amalgamation of all the heroes I've grown up loving, male and female. And for starters, I owe this character to the fraternity and all those heroes. So thank you for that. Thank you to Suleiman sir, Bollywood Hangama, and the wonderful team of Sayara, the press, and everyone who helped me get here. This is truly an honor. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Ahan. लेकिन मैं एक मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है अहान, प्लीज. यू नो, अहान के कारण मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, बिकॉज देखिए आप जानते हैं आजकल सड़कों पे खड्डे बहुत हैं. मेरी 20 गर्लफ्रेंड्स छूट चुकी हैं, बिकॉज बाइक जाती है, वो चलती हैं, फिर वो पीछे रह जाती हैं. लेकिन इसने वो जो तूने जैकेट जो बांधनी सिखाई थी ना यार, वो बहुत अच्छा. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, एक बार सिखा दे प्लीज यार, मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है. सो
Will you, can you act like Aneet?
Sorry?
Could you act like Aneet?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do the whole thing. I'd rather do it with her though, no?
नहीं मेरे साथ
नहीं sir, it's reserved for her, sir.
उनके साथ करेंगे आप?
नहीं
चलिए, हमें तो और अच्छा मोमेंट मिल जाएगा. आइए. देखो मैं तो उधर करवा रहा था, उसने करवाया. आइए प्लीज, करना पड़ेगा. हमारा तो मोमेंट से होता है, हमें कोई परवाह नहीं. मैं बहुत होगा नीरज जी को खड़ा कर दूंगा. आइए प्लीज. देखो आप लोग करो, नहीं तो मैं नीरज जी के साथ कर दूंगा. अच्छा आइए सर, ये लोग नहीं करे. लेट्स बी अ स्पोर्ट. कम ऑन, आइए आप आइए. आप बिल्कुल घबराने, आप इधर आगे, आप यहाँ आइए, आप यहाँ पे बैठिए. मैं सबको दिखाता हूँ. हार तो मैं मारने आया ही नहीं हूं. ये पकड़िए आप.
ओहो हो. ओए
सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है, मौसम जरा सा. सर कानों में क्या है आपको? अच्छा, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. एंड थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग अ स्पोर्ट माय फ्रेंड, बहुत अच्छा लगा. आइए प्लीज. थैंक यू. बिग कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू. सर आप लॉन्च तो नहीं होने वाले हैं? आप मूड में आ गए थे, पूरा बाइक पे बैठ गए एकदम से, पूरे मजे लिए ना स्कूटी पे. वेरी गुड सर.
You guys are doing a wonderful job, yeah. Once again, a big round of applause for both of them.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
यार हमारा काम तो मजे लगाना है
Manish,
और तो कुछ आता नहीं. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the category is Fima Carlo Frattini presents the Actor of the Year Female, and the nominees are. All right, to present this award, may I please invite on stage Mr. Neeraj Roy, founder and managing director, Hungama Digital Media Entertainment, and Mr. Amandeep Singh Anand, director, Fima Carlo Frattini, India, on stage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The actor of the year, female, and the winner is Kriti Sanon for Dopatti.
Oh, Kriti Sanon. नहीं ऐसे कैसे जाने देंगे यार. कृति तुम्हें तो डबल कांग्रेचुलेशंस है. यू आर आल्सो द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द फिल्म. तो जो प्रोड्यूसर होते हैं उनके लिए आज हमारी एक कंडीशन है कि पहले तो उन्हें विनिंग स्पीच देनी है, जो मैं तुम्हें मौका देता हूँ. प्लीज गो अहेड विद योर विनिंग स्पीच.
I really want to know your second condition now.
In a while.
But okay, firstly, thank you so much, Bollywood Hungama, and thank you so much, Suleiman. Thank you for appreciating the performance. It really, really, really means a lot. Dopatti is very special, obviously. As an actor तो है ही, because हर एक्टर की जर्नी में एक वो होता है टिक मार्क कि डबल रोल करना है एक बार कभी लाइफ में. So I got to do that in my own film that I also co-produced with my producing partner Kanika, who has also written the film, written the script and the screenplay. But I actually want to dedicate this to creating opportunities, because I really feel that sometimes, you know, in life, you may feel like there's so much more that you can do and you may not have certain opportunities in front of you. One thing is to be patient and wait, and of course we all need to do that. But at some point, I feel you need to kind of take the lead and you kind of need to create an opportunity. Post Mimi, I think कहीं ना कहीं मैं बहुत ज़्यादा restless थी, hungry थी. I really wanted to push the envelope a little more, find something more intense, meatier, something that challenged me as an actor a lot. And I wasn't really able to find that correct script, the character. And that's when I met Kanika. And I was like, you know what? Let's create this. I don't have this opportunity in front of me, but I'm really hungry. So let's create an opportunity. And that's how Dopatti happened. So here's to creating opportunities. Here's to always, always staying hungry and wanting more in life. Because you live only once, right?
क्या बात है, एब्सोल्युटली. लेकिन अब जो मैंने कहा था सेकंड कंडीशन, एंड स्पेशली फॉर द प्रोड्यूसर्स, एक्चुअली हमारे दोनों जो जेंटलमैन खड़े हैं, इन्होंने कहा था कि कुछ भी हो, यहाँ से कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर जो अवार्ड जीत के जा रहा है उसे यहाँ से एक डांस करते हुए जाना होगा. वो ऐसे नॉर्मल चल के नहीं जा सकता. सो आई एम रियली सॉरी.
I'm really curious, और कौन सा प्रोड्यूसर है ऐसा जो यहाँ पे आके
नहीं
डांस
नहीं,
करेगा?
बहुत सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं जो ऑलरेडी बाहर अपनी डांस क्लासेस कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज उनको पता है शायद वो जीत जाएंगे तो उन्हें डांस करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स हैव द म्यूजिक. लोगों को 3 पत्ती लगती, ये 2 पत्ती में ही जीत गए हैं. क्या बात है, कंग्रेचुलेशंस, थैंक यू वेरी मच. और इसी तरह तुम अवार्ड्स जीतती रहो, और इसी तरह एवरी ईयर व्हेन यू कम तुम और खूबसूरत लगती रहो. हमारी यही विशेष है. विश यू ऑल द लक. थैंक यू सो मच कृति.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you, everyone. Have a great night.
Let's go to the next category. GM Fabrics presents Actor of the Year Male.
And the nominees are.
Let's call on stage Mr. Gurvinder Singh and Mrs. Ramanjit Kaur, directors GM Fabrics, on stage, please.
Actor of the Year Male, and the winner is Rajkumar Rao
Wow.
for Shrikant and
Thank you so much, Bollywood Hungama. Thank you, Suleiman sir. This is for Shrikant and Bhulchuk Maap, it says. Yeah, both have been very special performance. Shrikant, of course, was pretty tough, but I had a great time because जब डर लगता है तभी मजा आता है. My brothers would agree with me, and friends would also agree with me. Thank you, Tushar. Thank you, Bhushan sir, and thank you, Maddock, Dinu, Karan for Bulchuk Maaf. Cheers, guys. Vicky would understand कि हमको जल्दी घर जाना है दोनों को, क्योंकि the little one is waiting.
क्या बात है.
Thank you, guys. Have a good
Absolutely,
night.
big congratulations. एक बार जोरदार ताली for Rajkumar Rao.
All right, moving on to our next category is Park Avenue Innerwear presents Best Actor Male Original Film, People's Choice.
And the nominees are.
To do the honors, may I please invite Mr. Dipdeep Sinha, Chief Business Officer, Sleeps by Raymond and Park Avenue Innerwear on the stage, please.
Good evening, everyone. The Best Actor Male Original Film, People's Choice. And the winner is my favorite, the very versatile, the very effortless, Manoj Bajpayee.
मुस्कुरा क्यों रहा है तू?
सर मुझे आपको देख के बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. अच्छा.
Okay, Netflix, thank you. Chinma Mandlekar, this is your debut film, and you are far better than many of the old ones. Girija Oak, Om Raut, Bhau Kadam, and so many other very, very fine, talented actors. Just their presence on the set, I learned so much. I was always on my toes when I was acting alongside with them. So thank you, everyone. Thank you all. I really thank all the cast and crew, Vishal Sinha, the cameraman, everyone. Thank you.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां मनोज बाजपेयी जी के लिए. सर मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, जब भी हमारे यहाँ ट्रॉफीज बन रही होती हैं, ट्रॉफी वाला खुद आके एक ट्रॉफी आपके नाम की बना के देता है. उन्हें पता है हर बार ये एक अवार्ड जरूर लेके जाएंगे. मुझे लग रहा है अगले साल का भी ऑलरेडी बुक्ड है. फैमिली मैन, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. व्हाट अ शो एंड व्हाट अ परफॉर्मेंस. वी लव यू सर, वी लव यू.
Congratulations, sir.
वैसे मैं लड़कियों को छोड़ने जाता हूं सर, लेकिन मैं आपको भी छोड़ने जाऊंगा, पर ये मत सोचिएगा आप.
तुझे किसने कहा मैं लड़का हूँ?
क्या बात है. रियल लाइफ में भी नॉटी बॉय.
Let's move on. Sleeps by Raymond presents Actor of the Year Popular Choice, and the nominees are. And to present this award, may I please invite Mr. Rohit Khanna, Head Corporate Communication and Media by Raymond and Kabir Khan. Sir, on stage, please.
Actor of the Year Popular Choice winner is Vicky Kaushal.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Bollywood Hangama. Suleiman sir, thank you so much for this honor. It means a lot to me. Kabir sir ने अभी मुझसे कुछ कहा कान में कि जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड तो मिल चुका है तुझे, which is very true. And उस अवार्ड के बाद ये पहला अवार्ड है बतौर एक्टर, so बहुत स्पेशल है, हमेशा रहेगा. And एक ऐसी फिल्म के लिए है, एक ऐसे किरदार के लिए है जो जिसको मैंने अपना सब कुछ दिया है, and I think अब वो मुझे जिंदगी में सब कुछ देगा. छावा छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज की कहानी. I feel truly blessed कि मुझे ये मौका मिला. लक्ष्मण सर ने मुझ पे भरोसा रखा, दिनेश विजन सर ने भरोसा रखा, एंड दिस अवार्ड आई रियली कांट होल्ड दिस, और मैं इसे अपना नहीं कह सकता. इट ट्रूली बिलोंग्स टू द होल टीम ऑफ छावा, एवरी टेक्नीशियन, एवरी पर्सन ऑन सेट, द राइटर, डायरेक्टर, ऑल टेक्नीशियंस, प्रोस्थेटिक्स, एक्शन, कैमरा, एवरीबॉडी. बिकॉज सबकी मेहनत, सबकी सच्चाई, सबकी इंटेंशन से वो फिल्म बन पाई है. और जेन्युइनली इट ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन जिन्होंने टिकट खरीदी, थिएटर में गए, प्यार दिया, and really resonated with the film. So thank you so much. This is for all of us, and this is to the legacy of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations. Vicky, before you leave,
Yes, Elnas.
one question.
Of course.
What's a nighttime routine, a habit that you never skip, no matter like what's happening, how hectic shoot is? Whatever.
These days, changing nappies.
Good one.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Have a great evening. Thank you.
क्या बात है. Big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Vicky Kaushal.
All right, with that, we've finally reached the end of this beautiful and star-studded evening. It's been great fun for both me and Manish, a little bit more for Manish probably. But now it's time to bring down the curtains on the third edition of Sleeps by Raymond Presents Bollywood Hungama OTT India Fest Summit and Awards, co-powered by Amante, Helios Lux, and FEMA Carlo Frattini. We are also thrilled to have our other partners, including Truly Matley, Park Avenue Innerwear, Urban Ladder, Vida powered by Hero, Rare Rabbit, GM Fabrics, Fixderma, HCG, Satvig, Bevzilla, The Nature Co., Smoor, Heineken Silver, Radio City, FNP Lux, GeoTV and GeoTV Plus, and JW Marriott in association with Code Silver.
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Until next time, we'll see you soon. तब तक अपना ध्यान रखें, enjoy करें. Bye bye, good night. Anupam Kher, Kiran Kher, Shabba Kher. Bye bye.